as Ukraine's drone army cleans the battlefield of Russian equipment. Making sure tanks and armored vehicles can't be towed back and repaired helps lower Russia's overall equipment left, as a FPV drone could take out a tank. Most of the time it damages or immobilizes the tank. But hitting the tank from the top back section lets the drone either penetrate into the engine compartment, which can often lead to an internal fire, or even higher up on the chassis or turret, lets the warhead penetrate into the ammunition storage, possibly leading to an ammunition detonation, as seen with this Russian tank, leading to the turret popping off, this time almost looking like the turret was doing a cartwheel, as the barrel was stationary in a location, leading to a complete destruction of the tank, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.